In this video, you'll learn about sales pipelines, and by the end of this video, you will learn how to build your effective sales pipeline for your business as well as how to use it. So let's get started. So a sales pipeline is basically just a visual representation of customers in your sales process. This is a sample pipeline that I have built, and we are able to see I have some demo contacts that I put in, and then we are able to see with a glance who are where in our sales pipeline. We'll get more to this later in this video. So to build your sales pipeline, you want to click on this button here with pipelines, and then you want to press create new pipeline. And this is where you will create your sales pipeline. Okay, put it whatever name you want, and then this is where you add stages. You press plus, press this button to add more stages, and then you can just fill them up. Okay, I'll just show you my demo which I've created, which looks like this. This demo customer journey pipeline is a sample that I created. It can be used for a service-based business. It starts with leads, and then you have hot leads, appointment made, missed appointment, follow up, proposal sent, invoice sent, deposit received, begin work, work complete, waiting for final payment, and spam. Okay, if you go to say your dashboard, you're able to see here, so this is the customer journey funnel. You're able to see, if you put over it, you can see in the funnel how many people are where inside your sales pipeline. Okay, same as the stage distribution, you are able to see with a glance all the people here. Okay, so if you go back to opportunity here and then you put in your sales pipeline here, you can see all the different people inside the different stages. And if you just created yours, it should be brand new and you shouldn't have anyone there. So why did I create this basic pipeline? So I'll just explain it one by one so that you can get some ideas to how to build your own one. So the leads start from the left side, and as they progressively move towards the right, they are basically getting more and more interested until they pay you money, and then you can do fulfillment based on whatever business you are. So we start at leads, and leads is just basically things like if you just do like a cold outreach, you do a cold call, you can put them inside here. Hot leads are just to show you where they are actually leads, but then they are also leads which have some sort of interest in your business. So they could be something like they try to reach out to you, they try to call you and try to get some information for you. So that I will consider that a hot lead. Okay, before I continue, you might be asking, how do all these contacts get inside here? Okay, one way is we can press this blue button opportunity here, select one of the contact or put in a new contact, say Goofy, okay? And then we can choose what pipeline we want them to be in and what stage should they be in. This is done manually. How this sales pipeline can work best is if it is done automatically. So say someone calls your phone and your phone number is tied into the GoHighLevel system, or you have an email address and the email address is tied to your GoHighLevel system. So anyone who reaches out to you, they will automatically be put inside here. And this will be true for all the stages in which I'm going to show you. The next one is appointment made. So if someone made an appointment with you, so you gave them a specific link, and if you don't already know, GoHighLevel can also have a calendar system where they can book appointments, and those appointments are linked to your Gmail or your Outlook. So if they were to make an appointment with you, their name will be inside here. And what happens if they're inside here is that everyone who's inside here will be sent email reminders about their appointments. Okay, we can build automations like that. What about missed appointments? Okay, so missed appointments are, say Yoda has an appointment for today and Yoda missed that appointment. What will happen is I will, under the calendar system, which we will not go through today, that I can just mark Yoda was a no-show for this appointment. And what will happen is the system, the automation that we set up will automatically push Yoda from here to missed appointment. And because Yoda is under missed appointment, we will set up automations that will follow up with Yoda to make a rescheduling appointment. Okay, next is we have follow up. Okay, so basically there are two different types of appointments. One is like the initial appointment, and then one is the follow up. So the follow up appointment is where this person has already gone through the initial appointment with you, and there has been some sort of interest, just that you need to, for whatever reason, wants you to get in contact with the person again. So you have another follow-up appointment and you can see them here. That's why you have follow-up, and you can see all those people that are in the follow-up is for you to go and close them, get them more interested, give them more information before they give you any money. The next one after that is proposal send. So proposal send is, so we have Simba over here. So for Simba, that means we have already sent Simba a proposal. Basically, GoHighLevel has a documentation system where you can send out proposals and you can send out invoices. So how this thing works is after you go into payments and then you send a proposal based on what you have discussed with your client, when you're inside here, you will know that, okay, this person will be sent email and SMS reminders to say, hey, this is the proposal, please go through it. If you have any questions, please let me know. But if you have no questions, this is where you sign before we can proceed to the next step. So once the proposal has been sent and they actually sign the proposal, what will happen is you will be notified that, okay, this Simba has signed, and what is next? Then we can automatically send out an invoice based on this proposal. So say this proposal is $1,000 in value. So if we were to click inside payments here, we're able to send invoice based on this proposal. And once we do actually just send the invoice out, Simba will automatically be put inside the invoice sent. Okay. And then same thing as the proposal. After the invoice document has been sent out, we automatically send reminders to say, hey, this is the invoice, and please pay within 14 days for us to begin work. After Simba made a payment for it, say you can put how many percent you want. So for me, I do 50% upfront. Simba will automatically push inside here. And then once they're inside here, we set up an automation to push to me or a member of my team that say, okay, this person has already paid a deposit and we need to start work for them right now. Automations and sales pipelines work two different ways. One can be the automation will push Simba around based on something that happened. And the other way is when we move people around, say when we move Simba to work complete. Oh, where's Simba? Okay. So we move Simba to work complete, something else will happen. So it works both ways. And this will be discussed and explored more in the next video, which is the automation for sales pipelines video. Okay, so basically it's work has been complete. We will send out a message such as, your work has been complete. Please have a look at the work. If it's all good, this is the next invoice, the last 50%. And once that is done, what you can do is you can either manually drag them to one. And what will happen is when you drag them to one, we can set up automations where we'll say, like try to get a Google review from there. I hope you can see from this short video how sales pipelines can work with automation. And I'll see you in the next video where we'll discuss how to build the automations based on all these.